Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we are making tuna salad. I enjoy tuna salad, and this is my recipe how I usually make it, except without the measurements. I just kind of eyeball it a little bit more. Alright, but what you need is 2 cans of the 5-ounce tuna. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of relish, half of a yellow onion. You need 1 stalk of celery, 1/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, and to serve it on today, I'm using Ritz crackers, so you can seize it for a little party idea. Alright, well, let's get this going. I'll show you how to put this together, then we're going to enjoy it. Alright, we'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, we're going to put this together here. But first we're going to need you open up your can of tuna and drain it. So you'll put the tuna in to the bowl. Okay. There we go. Alright, now I put relish in mine. I like having relish in mine, so we'll put I'll put 2 tablespoons of relish in there. Alright, now got a half an onion chopped up, put that in there. Alright, and then 1 stalk of celery. And you can chop that celery up a little bit smaller if you want. I do this for sandwiches or put it on crackers. We're gonna get it all stirred in here now. Get it all mixed in real good. Alright. And if you like, you can put a little bit of salt and pepper in there. Today, I'm not going to do that. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But you get your crackers. What you want to do is get you a little smaller spoon. Get this little teaspoon at the Walmart, and you can just take it and put it on the cracker. Lay it on the plate. Get the other one. Open it up. Put it on the cracker. Smooth it out. You can put something on top as a garnish, but you can just fill up your plate like that. Alright, well, let's give this a try and see how I did. So here we go. This is good. Yeah, guys, put it on the cracker. It's really good for parties. You make this, put it on your sandwiches. It's a really good, simple recipe. Not that hard to make. So, alright guys, well, I'll see you guys later. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, excuse me, and take time to subscribe to my channel to see other cooking videos like this. I also do sightseeing and adventure videos, and some taste test videos, and take time to watch some of my other videos. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys later.